Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back, and before I get into anything, I just want to say to everybody across the globe, from all locations that you guys are watching from, I just want to say my prayers go out to you, and I hope you stay safe in this time around the world. Your family members, everybody, please protect yourself, stay safe, follow the protocol, do your social isolation, your social distancing, and wash your hands, and do everything that you possibly can to flatten the curve and avoid the extreme rapid spread of infection around the globe right now. As you guys know, because I've been communicating with you guys in the community tab here on YouTube, you know, I've just taken some time just to make sure I get my home together and everything in that, you know, regard. And I have done that. I've stocked up my home. You know, everybody is mentally sound and we're prepared for what comes ahead. And that, more than anything else right now, is what I pray for you guys, to be prepared and for us all to get through it with at least the least amount of suffering as possible. But to get into this video, you know, just to be more on the lighter side of things, I have finally received my package sent to me from Jason. Hi Jason, thank you for sending the package to me. I received the Pleaser 20 Pleaser Sexy 120 in the red pattern. You guys voted on this color. It was in between the beige and the red, and you guys voted on red, so I went ahead and put in the order and asked Jason to go ahead and get the red one, and I've received it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the unboxing, and I'm gonna try it on for you guys, and then I'm going to step out as I usually do and take my new babies out for a walk. But before I do, I want to show you my outfit. I'm definitely going to do a split screen here on the side, or on this side of me in the outfit. So what I'm actually wearing today is a red and black with a kind of snake print vibe on it, which I think is really nice. It's a slip dress. It's for spring, summer. It's still a little bit chilly up here in Canada. It was warm, then it started snowing again, but that's Canada for you. It's not a mini length, it's not a midi length, and it's not a maxi length. It's kind of in between mini and midi, so I really like this. It's like a satin silk feeling. It's like one of those just got out of bed type of vibe. I'm in those vibes right now. And I'm wearing a tan colored nylons with it, so I am wearing nylons, and I thought that would go great with my new patent red Sexy Pleaser 120 millimeter pumps. So I hope you guys love the shoes. I hope you guys love the unboxing, and I hope you guys love my little stroll in the park with my new heels. All right, I'll see you at the end of this video. Okay, so I hope you guys loved my walk in the park with my new heels. They're actually a tiny bit big. On the website, they only allowed me to get full sizes, like 6, 7, 8, and usually on average, I would be a 7.5. Obviously, in the xoxo red bottoms, I'm a 6.5 because I went down the side because it does, it does loosen up, over time once you work it in, and I wanted it to still be formed to my foot. So I was only able to get an 8. I didn't want to get a 7 and it be too tight because it is patent. So it's a tiny, tiny bit big, but I don't think that's anything that a little bit of toilet paper by my toes won't, fix. That's a little hack for you there. So I just wanted to kind of just compare them with my red bottoms, all right? So Here is the Pleaser Sexy 20, 120 millimeter, and this is the xoxo Christian Louboutin 120 millimeter high heel as well. So as you can see already, the stiletto, the heel alone on the Christian Louboutin is way thinner than the one on the Pleaser Sexy. And I think aesthetically, only really aesthetically does that matter. But I must say, when I walk in the Pleasers, they do feel a little bit more comfort. Like, it does have a little bit more comfort, probably because it's a bit bigger. In the toe box, it's not as narrow, so I'm able to get a much more room in there when I'm walking around. And somehow down in the padding, at the bottom of the Pleaser, they have way more padding under there, and it really feels good on your feet when you're walking. And the Christian Louboutin xoxo doesn't really have that much padding on your sole and the ball area of your foot in the pitch area. So those are some differences that I can tell. But in terms of aesthetic, as you guys already know, my #1 shoe is the red bottom Christian Louboutin. I love them aesthetically, but in terms of comfort, I would definitely say that the Pleaser Sexy 120 definitely wins. And I definitely think this is a shoe that I will wear because I think they're cute. I do wish the heel was, I do wish the heel, the stiletto was a bit thinner because it just gives it a little bit more elegance, I feel like, and it looks a little bit more expensive. But other than that, I have no real complaints. I love the shoe. Yeah, thank you very much for sending it to me. So these are both the shoes side by side. Why don't you guys tell me in the comment box below what you guys think about the comparison of the xoxo 120 millimeter Christian Louboutin and also the Pleaser Sexy 20 120 millimeter pump. So I'm gonna put them beside each other again, just so you can see if the heel really is 120. To be honest, I even think maybe, let me put it on the box down right beside each other. So, I would say that the Pleaser seems to be a bit higher than the Christian Louboutin 120 millimeter. What do you guys think? I'm not sure how closely you guys can see that. But when I see it right here, it does look like the Sexy 20 is a tiny bit higher than the 120 xoxo. So maybe it's even a 130, to be honest. But I guess maybe just the construction of the Sexy 120 makes it a little bit more comfortable when I'm walking, and I don't realize it's that much higher. But I mean, as you can see, the Christian Louboutin is a lot more delicate and there's less material holding your foot in. So maybe that's why, you know, it feels a little bit more dainty on your foot. You can feel the heel, you know, it's a little bit harder to balance in. And the Pleaser Sexy 120 definitely holds your foot in a lot better, and there's a lot more grip. So these are the shoes. So you guys, I know this is much more of kind of like a review than, you know, showing you my outfit and high heel video. So please look out for more videos with my new red pumps. If you guys did like my new red pumps, please let me know. Please give this video a thumbs up. As always, subscribe for my content. If you like high heels like myself, please subscribe. Please donate and, you know, support the channel with my Patreon or anything like that if you can. And leave comments below, because you do know that I love engaging with you guys all the time. And once again, guys, thank you for, you know, sticking around. Thank you for watching, and thank you for understanding that I needed some time away for a little bit during this crisis time in the world right now. So once again, I want you guys to stay safe, stay home, love your loved ones, protect yourself and the ones around you, and wear a mask. Wear an N95 mask. If you need to go out, wear some gloves, protect yourself, and stay safe. All right, ladies and gents, I'll see you in the next video. Comment below. Bye.